Yo, 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 what is going on, YouTube? I am back, and I am back with a bang, guys. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working in 2026. This requires no PC and no Discord and no third-party application, guys. I've been searching on Google, watched other YouTube tutorials. Most of them are clickbait. All the Animal Company mods are paid for. All you have to join Discord servers and do loads of stuff like that, guys. I'm going to show you the best secret Animal Company mod menu. This literally uses a promo code you can redeem in game, and it is going to unlock the developer mod menu, guys. So this is the mod menu that's built in that developers use, and this is going to give you access to it. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm always searching for new methods on how to get mods in Animal Company. So what you need to do, like I said, this is a no PC method. You use your mobile phone to get this Animal Company mod menu promo code. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's go ahead and type that in correctly so you can copy it down. Crash Coupons. So like I said, guys, use your mobile internet browser and go to Crash Coupons, and basically this is a codes website and they have hundreds and hundreds of pages of codes. What I'm going to do, and I recommend you do the same, is hit that search bar. As you can see, it says search here. This is actually a predictive search. So what you want to do is start typing in Animal Company, and it's going to bring up the promo codes page here. Now, as you can see, there are a few different codes, and one of these codes is a mod menu code. Get access to the mod menu for free in Animal Company. This is a developer mod menu, guys, so this is already built in the back end. This is no third-party install. This is no Discord server download or anything like that, guys. This is literally a code that's going to unlock the mod menu. So as you can see, you need to reveal your Animal Company promo code. These are limited numbers of codes, so this prevents someone stealing all of these codes and trying to make a profit from these promo codes. So to get yours, click on this button, and you just got to follow the instructions on the next screen once it loads up. As you can see, this is called the Code Unlocker. You just need to follow these steps here and complete a couple of tasks. So yeah, as you can see, I've only got 2 on my page here. You may see slightly more, but yeah, they're always going to be completely free, and they're really easy things like mobile applications and free surveys. You may even have like fun mobile games where you just play them until certain levels, just follow the instructions and complete a couple of them. And once you do that, it's going to send you back to this page, and your code will be revealed, and you redeem it in Animal Company in the computer in Spawn, and that is going to get you the mod menu, guys. So that is how to get mods in Animal Company in 2026. And like I said, this is a no PC method and no Discord. Go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.